Name lo mi Obusere Noda. Me been starting this work in 2013, coming up now, 2026. So, 14 years now, me is working this something. But me start with marita oil, na me come working spices, or something me working tasol, lo manual something na me working me sisi kamantap na come now me start now lo. Sim bag round office to office, na street me sari me go na. Now me working li stablo mina me working stablo again PNG PACD come inside na helping me na boost me go on top me working good house lo me na me working or training center lo farmer lo me too lo here lo all can training na planting so money when something it must go back lo or farmers na ogata it must help you more na mipla ogata it must one kind of them coffee na mipla by making big pla on the mere spice industry na ba mipla can working go na now me start now lo sarim lo supermarkets so
you send me all products to you one by one.
Okay.
Start coconut.
This lamb cardamom on the fruit logenia, the flower fruit logen. So cardamom kim seed, sarim oxen seed one time on the me plus sarim the same processed one, we plus sarim na. Ginger, curry leaf, na lemongrass, chilli, cinnamon, na turmeric, turmeric. Or something when me talking, but now me start want marita sauce, marita oil, na marita cream, na avocado want turmeric cream me working. So or something working more na me sarim but big platintin me or me platintin working. You go big plan na training all man too by work inside. We working with some training center or ULG too. Lo science lab or by go down na also working on the mea. Study blow down blow na also come on top. So sambla on the mea too mi bla work making mo semblo. Training center blow mangi school mangi too by go inside now by kisi available.
You give one I'm thinking drill how PhD project will help you now one I'm thinking drill or project.
Me am a master of PhD. Lo helping me lo work come up in this or something. Lo giving me how I on the man working really around, but now all helping me to go more na me can working with some good plan. Before me working the sla. Container or same use container, but now we working low good container now, good packaging or something na house to or something to come good na. Now we same we I'm a mass one na work one time or PhD now.
When I can have a museum long PhD.
All help me lo all materials supply lo working or something na kind of same house na. Or containers, or labeling, or something, or semi-pla, working. So, I'm working more than finish. So, now I'm tintino, Google capacity, lo, but I'm can look out team, lo. Go ahead, but I'm planning some financial helping me plan, lo, but I'm can working more big plan, go more next step, now I'm can working more big plan.
Story lilik lo you yet?
Me yet awesome. Me stablo place or me start one time masumave na mamlo ungai side. Me start one time coffee blow me got him sambla coffee in abro 2 hectares. Me work one time me come na coffee me looking more some one now me come cut up inside los spice na mi wakim kama tapos.
So you benefit the PhD project. How much money will help you? How much funding?
Oh, 120,000 or something. All helping me now. Na mi wakim also something kamo.
Employer supporting more spices.
Spices.
And funding under the spices.
Spices. Yes.
Sebelum motor you get?
Mi plagatim desra plan at tin man bla yumilo. Make him spice go bipla mo. Na PNG mas kama potem. Bipla oneme. Spice province or country must start. So me start give him all turmeric seedia. Me give him out all the provinces. Misari mo gada sidlini go ogada provinces na golo buka lo West Britain na go sendo Pacific West Pacific mostly diwaka ogata happen mi sarim desla sidlini go na planim now or oneme spice seed na or something turmeric. So I'm planting something when Papua New Guinea sarim golo India kukumin certificate progress lab 11.38 them highest. So order satu was make him was big plus something though. You can bring him over on the mea bring me guantap. Economy bring me by guantap na. Over the man must plan him spice na. Almost some money lo spice. Because coffee you may kisim was 200 example was 200 kinalo was a market well market but kind of some turmeric na or napla well market bigla demand through bigla market. Emasana samla good plus samne sirip sab plao ko struggle.